Good evening from the Philippines. It is about 8 o'clock. We are closing up the store and we are going to walk home tonight. We usually walk home. It depends. Sometimes we'll walk home, sometimes we will take the trike, but tonight we're going to walk home. So we are closing up and we'll walk home. They got a party going on over there. So we've been listening to them all night. Listening to some nice music while we had the store open. But yep, we're gonna walk home. All right, here we go. You're probably asking, is it safe for us to walk home? There's Sheila. Is it safe for us to walk home? You know what, as you're gonna see, there's people walking right now. Plus people sit outside. Like I said, it's about 8 o'clock. Would I walk around here like 1, 2 o'clock in the morning? No, because a lot of people, you know, they're inside sleeping. No, we're good. Plus, you know what? People know our faces through here. Like I said, people are still out and about walking around. I would not walk around here 1, 2 o'clock in the morning. I think last week, Sheila said she was woken up at night. She heard somebody yelling. What'd they hear? Snatcher or something like that? Sheila heard somebody yelling snatcher. So somebody was snatching somebody's purse or something. But like I said, that was early in the, like real early in the morning. Well, in the middle of the night. There's like a little alleyway that shoots down through there. I wouldn't go down that alley at night. It was funny because earlier, Lut and I, we were walking to the store, and if the subscriber is watching this video and hears this, I had a subscriber, Filipina, they rolled down their window and almost tripped and fell. They're rolling down their window and they're yelling out at us, "Philly, we watch you." Right, Lut? "Philly, we watch you." It was funny. So if you were that subscriber, leave a comment down below. We're coming up on 4 points, and you can see, you know, everybody's still up. They're awake. Stores are still open. A lot of them will start closing up about an hour or so. This one's closed. It's like a food stall, a little market. People on the left, they're starting to close up. Oh, so you see girls, they're open. They actually moved across the street there. All right, let me switch this off. Switch my camera exposure here. Yeah, we'll leave it like this. Still got barbecue going. Yeah, CC girls moved from there just around the corner, actually back to where they were originally set up. These people right here, directly in front of me, of course, there's a little trike stand, but there's a little table there. I don't know if you can see her or not. Hello. They have a little table set up, and I think they run numbers. You know, like people, you know, pick a couple numbers, and then I think it's 3 times a day. They pull numbers and stuff. Let's start playing it too. It's not. It's Bayut. It's Coyote. It's Lut's brother. But anyways, I was saying, Lut, she plays the numbers too. And I think it was 3 times a day that she was playing it. And she puts like 20 pesos into it. What are we doing, pal? What are we doing?
Walking.
Where's Norm's going? Oh, all right. And Look was playing it, and she came real close one time, and now she only plays it maybe once or twice a week, because she said, I can't keep putting money into it, can't keep putting money into it. I want to win. I had to remind her that not everybody wins all the time. But yeah, that's what they do there. They sit there almost all day, those people. You know what I've noticed here? You see this pile of garbage right here? This is like a pile where everybody throws their stuff. And you'll see them scattered about. And then you'll see people going through there picking up, you know, the plastics, anything recyclable. And then after, I don't know, at least once a month, I'll see them come by and actually clean those piles up. Like here's a guy right now. Speaking of it, right here he is. He's cleaning it up right now. But they go through like once a month, and they clean all that up. So it's like a pile that everybody just throws their stuff on, and it gets cleaned up. The only problem with that is if it's windy, all that loose garbage will blow all over the place. If it rains, it'll get washed down the road. But yeah, here are the trike lines. Usually every trike line there's a TV playing. There's their TV, and usually basketball's on. Usually they'll have basketball on, or news. A lot of times I'll come by in the morning, there's news on. You guys seen where we just came from, and you've seen the people all over, so. And once you get up here, everybody's all over up here. I gotta switch this over. All right, I just switched it over. Oop, almost fell again. She's laughing. Look, she's laughing at me because I almost fell. You see that? Look. Lut and Hannah Grace are behind me because I got my backpack on, and they got my bag so nobody can sneak up behind me and try to take anything out of my back. Walk across here without getting run over. Traffic is perfect at night here. So you gotta watch out. People will still think they're fast, sneak up behind you.
How are you doing, sir?
Hello. Oh, I'm 7-Eleven, buddy.
Good.
And we are going to head in here, 7-Eleven, and get our little snack for our walk home. All right. Alright guys, I had to shut the camera off. Of course, music playing in there. But here's your Jeep line. It's always packed here. Always busy right here at night. With these jeepneys all pulled up here. They load them up heading into, you know, Angeles City. So So yeah, that's always backed up here. A lot of times you get people outside here. They'll sit outside here, you know, eat their snacks, drink their sodas, whatever. Just kind of hang out. They got these picnic tables here so people can hang out. Yeah, we'll always stop here and grab some ice cream or something. Walk home and eat our ice cream. The guy on the back of the jeepney right there in a white shirt, what he does is he directs the people to get inside, you know, the jeepneys. That's what he does. He'll stand there and yell and load up the jeepneys. As people are walking down the street, ask them where they got to go. And they'll pack them full. This one here is going on to Clark. Clark SM Clark, Main Gate Daewoo. That's a nice one. That's a big one. I call that the Cadillac. Surprisingly, some of these jeepneys do have air conditioning in them. Usually the ones that are running up and down the road here don't. The ones that usually have air conditioning in it, you will see, are the ones that are going into Clark. All right, let's out here. What do you got there? That looks like a watermelon.
Yeah, watermelon ice.
Watermelon. Look, what did you get, Hannah Grace?
Pinipig.
Hey, what?
Pinipig.
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 Pinipig. Oh. Can you hold the camera? I, of course, went with.
What you got, Brian?
I got. It's up in Jones for like peanut butter and chocolate. I got a Reese's cone. They're pretty good.
What you got, Hannah?
I don't know.
Why you don't know?
I don't know.
That's pinipig. Are you excited?
Excited?
Yeah, for tomorrow.
Because it's last day of school.
Last day of school.
Saturday.
Yeah. Did you do your verse? Yeah. How was your school?
Good.
Good? You like to sing?
No.
No. Diba you like to sing? Oh, that's your favorite, right? You wanna sing?
Shy.
You shy? Are you ready? Go.
You want to sing?
What? Me?
Yeah.
Oh, next time. On your birthday, probably.
Oh, alright. Alright, guys, I'm going to wrap this little walk up. We're almost home, so. But yeah, I mean, would I recommend walking around at night? All depends on where you're at. Would I recommend walking around at night alone? No, I wouldn't do that at all. Well-lit area all the way home, people all over the place, people driving by. Can something happen? Of course something can happen. But you take the chance anywhere you go here. It can happen broad daylight, so matter of fact, it does happen broad daylight. So anyways, guys, I'm gonna wrap this one up, call it a walk. We're almost home. If you haven't subscribed, take your time to subscribe. Like, share, dislike, choice is always yours. Leave the comments down below, and tomorrow the journey continues, and we'll see you then. Anything to say back there, Lut?
Huh?
Anything to say?
Subscribe to this channel.
I already did the wrap up.
Oh, okay. You
That's
have a
it.
good night.
All right, guys.
Say.
We'll see you tomorrow. Or we won't see you tomorrow, but have a good night.